on the scientific method. The scientific method was first promoted by Muslim scholars. Many scientists contributed to the creation of the scientific method over time. There are 6 steps to the scientific method: observation, make a question, hypothesis, experiment, analysis data, and make a conclusion. Collect data. Data comes in 2 forms, qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative data is represented by categorizing objects. Qualitative data is in statistics, measurements, and so on. Data is that it is collected in many forms. Scientists use different experiments for different situations. Different kinds of collecting data are surveys, measurable data, and quasi-experiments. The experiment tests the original hypothesis that was made. One's thoughts on the experiment can change during the experiment because of the hypothesis. To measure in an experiment, one has to use a SI system, different units. The SI system can be measured in meters, kilograms, seconds, amperes, Kelvin, mole, and measured in length, kilograms, and mass. Second, it is used to measure electric currents, Kelvin measurements, mole measurements, and candela measurements. When you are using point. This is an example of how to convert kilograms for the SI system.
The control group stays in the same during the experiment, similar to the independent variable. The control group is used as a base to compare against the experimental group at the end of the experiment. The independent variable should be viewed next. The independent variable is something that does not change and is designed to stay the same as the experiment takes place. Although everything seems fine in an experiment, therefore can be many errors, therefore scientists use repeat trials. The concept of repeat trials is because you need to see that your result is accurate. An example of repeat trials is the apples experiments. You cut some apples and you have some leftovers, so you put them in the fridge. The next day you want some more apples, but they're yellow and brown, so you do some trials to make them not brown and yellow.
A conclusion is a summary or explanation of what happened in the experiment. It must include whether your hypothesis was correct. If it wasn't, why? Do you have to change something and do it again, and whether your data is understandable for everyone. The concept of
put some apples slices in a bag labeled A. That is going to be your control group since it's not going to change. In a bag B, you're going to put some lemon juice and some apple slices. On bag C, you're going to put some salt water and the apple slice, and that's going to be your experiment group. The concept of a theory is for science to use. It is a way to explain the information they found, or a way it is concept. For example, the cell theory, the living things that are made of cells, or the Big Bang, how the universe began.
A theory is used by scientists to provide an explanation to a phenomena. A theory is initially based on an observation of the experiment that remains constant. A theory is an explanation that supports patterns in nature based on collected data when you use the scientific method. Individual, the scientist is using the sense of sight and asking why the liquid in the beaker is releasing a steam-like substance every time he does this experiment.
Created using Powtoon.